The legislation has a lot of bipartisan support and the backing of the Moore administration. Basically, it puts into law policy reforms that DHS put in place following the death of Kanaya and a scathing DHS audit.
And no mother should have to bury her daughter.
Brooke Ward urged House Judiciary Committee members to put politics aside and pass legislation designed to protect children in foster care.
We are hoping that the young men and women who need the help get it, and that the systems that rely upon to protect and serve them actually work.
16-year-old Kanaya Ward died in September 2025 from an intentional overdose of Benadryl. It happened at the Residence Inn by Marriott. The Maryland Department of Human Services placed her there because the agency could not find a residential program willing to accept her. According to DHS, Kanaya had a history of running away, mental health challenges, and previous suicide attempts. The state hired Fenwick Behavioral Services to supervise Kanaya, but DHS says the caretaker was negligent.
Sadly, DHS put Kanaya into a hotel room with limited to no supervision, not even with a guardian, but with someone they called a chaperone. Kanaya was allowed to be in this room with a bottle of over 350 pills of Benadryl, marks all over her body from repeated suicide attempts.
Kanaya's law strengthens safety in guardianship homes. It requires background checks for all adults living in court-appointed guardianship homes. An audit of DHS discovered some children were placed in homes with sex offenders. The law will prohibit DHS from putting children in unlicensed settings, such as hotels, homeless shelters, and offices. Hospitals would be used under specific circumstances.
In some cases, foster parents just saying, I cannot handle this kid anymore, would drop the kid off in the ER, and that kid would sit in a hospital room, in some cases for up to a year, without anybody taking custody of that child.
The bill would create an ombudsman to be an independent advocate for these children.
Kanaya was a wonderful daughter, and we will miss her.
The foster care advocate position will be created in the state AG's office. Lawmakers are currently looking into whether it's a conflict of interest because the AG's office represents state agencies. Reporting from Annapolis, David Collins, WBAL TV 11 News.